and we're back with another video. And today, as y'all can tell, I'm going to be trying to play with slime with these nails. Like, they're feeling crazy, but I think I could do it. But yeah, this is how, let's just get straight on to the video. As y'all, if y'all don't tell,
Who are you talking to?
make a YouTube video. If y'all can't tell, this slime color changes, and I'm gonna be making bath bombs also. So yeah. But I'm gonna put my phone on charger because I'm vlogging with my phone. But yeah. Yeah. We used to tell each other everything. I even went what I already knew. Is that if I was best friend? So how you turn into Maya? Okay. So that scared the heck out of me. Why is it not holding anymore? Okay. So as you can tell, I got my nails done. And it's hard to do a lot of stuff. I got these done at the nail salon. They are acrylic. They're not coming off. I'm just kidding. If you want to learn how to make these look real, go to my previous YouTube video. I'm gonna have the same shirt on because I did it today, like 2 minutes ago. But I'm going to just roll that out. Boom, making magic. And as y'all can probably not tell, color changes. It's blue to purple.
Who are you talking to?
Oh my goodness, I'm making a YouTube video.
Who are you talking to?
No, oh my God.
Oh, I'm making a YouTube video?
Yes,
Okay.
thank ya. Okay, you better not say who you talking to. Okay, so now, so it's starting to get pretty easy, but I'm scared one of these nails are gonna pop off.
How to keep
Shake that lefty tappy guy. You guys, look at that. I think I might vlog tomorrow. I don't know. But I know I'm making a YouTube video tomorrow. I just don't know what. I'm thinking of a thumbnail because I don't know yet. But I think it's going to be this one. But yeah. But I think we're going to do this one. Hold on. It's like this. Stupid. But yeah. Why is this not staying? I don't know. Yeah, this is a poopsie slime. And I didn't like this at the time because one day I had like this big poopsie thing. This big poopsie thing. And it had like a bunch of poopsie stuff and I made it all in one day. And the second day when I went to go play with them, they were all melted. But I think I put like a lot in this one, so it's not gonna melt. At least in 2 days. Cause I had this for 2 days now. No, 1 day. This is gonna be my second day. I learned something. So, I thought when it hits 1, it's the morning. But as soon as it hit 12, it's the morning. So basically, if you stay up until 12 o'clock at night, you stay up until 12 o'clock at night. I mean at morning. Same thing. I don't care. But make sure y'all hit that like button. What I want y'all to do is try to do the handwork and then spin. So I'm gonna do it, guys. And try to kiss it. Yeah. So yeah, guys. As y'all can tell, I'm gonna try to show y'all the camera, but y'all can't probably really tell. Like this half here is purple and this half here is blue. But yeah. I think I'm gonna put like some foam bleeds in it. It has this one foam bleed. I don't know where it came from. Like God, I'm so scared, bro. Guys, my nails are getting sparkles. Look at that. I'm trying to sleep with them. I don't know how good that's gonna go. Mama. Oh. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's how I play with slime. Wait, hold on. I want to try to play with my model magic. It's just literally this stuff. But guys, we're gonna do this saran wrap thing. So guys, I'm gonna be doing this. Oh my god, this saran wrap thingy keeps getting stuck to my nails. I'm gonna do this. I'll be back, guys, with more. I don't know how much I would need, so I kind of just take the whole thing. literally just messed up the whole ceramic. Who cares? Not I. Oh, did I just make it in? Okay, that's good. Because if they sit, it's not going to be noticeable. I think. Guys, I could try to sit. Watch, I'm going to try to sit. Oh my god, I can literally just sit on top. So when they, like, really shake or something. Oh, and who cares? Did you really think I was going to prank my family? Well, you were wrong. I missed. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you try to hear what kiss it. Bye guys.